Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to fix sound removal on TikTok. So let's get started the video. TikTok has the right to mute your video when you are using copyright sound. However, you can apply these steps to solve your issue. Open your TikTok app, click on Profile, tap on these three lines, select Settings and Privacy. From the menu, select Account. Click on Switch to Business Account. Click on Next. Then choose the category. You can choose anything from here. Then click on Next. Skip. Maybe later. Now you are all set. Now go back to your home page. Click on the plus icon to upload your video. Now click on Add Sound button. Now select the sound you want to use. Click here now. Now you can set the volume of your sound, lower the sound of your original audio, then click on Done. Now post your video. After posting, you can check your video and see if it's muted or not. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.